Alright, what we have here, little strap in the back right here, this piece. Well, I actually took it out, so the best way to do this, and I'm going to put some python leather on it. And I sprayed some adhesive on both sides of this just to hold it down. I'm not gluing this hat together, so just to hold it down while I stitch it. So let's get the stitch. Go to the corner here. All right. And that's it, bro. And now I basically, after cutting the strings and stuff, get it nice and pretty. I just stick that, and that's a python. I'm going to get a credit card, and I like going diagonal, lift them scales up, because this is real python. It's more expensive than regular leather, so I want it to look fluffy, so, and that's how you do that. And I'm going to go ahead and stitch that right back in there, and that is the way we do that part. Okay, let's wait until next phase.